Forging excellence through timeless discipline. Welcome to the Timeless Discipline channel, where we're about to embark on a journey of personal and professional growth. In today's video, we're diving into the world of success mastery, as we unveil the timeless wisdom of the book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, written by Stephen Covey. As the saying goes, success leaves clues, and these 7 habits are the ultimate blueprint for achieving greatness in all areas of your life. Whether you're striving for personal fulfillment, professional excellence, or a harmonious balance between the two, these habits will be your guiding stars. Let's jump right in and uncover each of these habits, step by step. Habit 1. Be proactive. Habit 1 of the 7 habits of highly effective people, be proactive, is like the foundation upon which the other habits are built. It's all about understanding that you have the power to shape your own destiny by taking control of your actions and reactions. Imagine life as a series of events and situations, some within your control and others not. When you're proactive, you don't let external circumstances dictate your choices and outcomes. Instead of simply reacting to what's happening around you, you consciously choose how to respond. This shift in perspective empowers you to navigate challenges and opportunities with intention and purpose. Being proactive means acknowledging that you hold the key to your own success. It's about realizing that you're not helpless in the face of adversity, but rather capable of influencing your circumstances. This mindset shift is like transitioning from being a passenger on a turbulent ship to becoming the captain who steers it toward calmer water. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind, is a powerful principle that emphasizes the importance of setting clear goals and envisioning your desired outcomes before you start any endeavor. It's akin to planning a journey by first determining your destination. Overall, begin with the end in mind encourages you to be intentional about your actions by first envisioning the outcomes you want to achieve. It's about setting a clear direction for your efforts, making strategic choices, and harnessing the power of visualization to guide you towards success. Just as a map helps travelers navigate unfamiliar terrain, this habit helps you navigate the journey of life with purpose and determination. Habit 3. Put first things first. Effective time management is at the heart of this habit. Focus on the tasks that truly matter, and learn to say no to distractions that steer you off course. In essence, put first things first is about making conscious choices to allocate your time and energy to tasks that align with your values, goals, and long-term vision. It's a commitment to effective time management that leads to increased productivity, reduced stress, and a sense of accomplishment as you work toward what truly matters in your life. Habit 4. Think win-win. Habit 4. Think win-win is a principle that encourages a paradigm shift in how you approach interactions, relationships, and problem-solving. Overall, think win-win encourages you to adopt a perspective that seeks solutions, relationships, and outcomes that benefit all parties involved. It's about nurturing an attitude of cooperation, collaboration, and empathy that fosters healthy interactions and contributes to a more harmonious and successful life, both personally and professionally. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Effective communication goes beyond talking, it's about listening with the intent to truly comprehend others' perspectives. It encourages you to approach communication with humility, empathy, and a genuine desire to comprehend others' viewpoints. By doing so, you create an atmosphere of respect, trust, and open dialogue that leads to better understanding, more harmonious relationships, and effective collaboration. Habit 6. Synergize. This habit celebrates the power of teamwork and creative collaboration. It highlights the significance of working collaboratively and tapping into the collective strengths of individuals. In simplicity, synergize is about celebrating the power of teamwork, recognizing that combining the strengths of individuals creates outcomes that surpass what could be achieved alone. It promotes a culture of collaboration, open communication, and respect for diverse viewpoints, ultimately leading to more innovative solutions, stronger relationships, and a higher level of success. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. This final habit emphasizes the importance of self-renewal. It underscores the significance of self-care, continuous growth, and maintaining your well-being. In short, sharpen the saw is a reminder that to be effective in all aspects of your life, you must invest time and effort in self-care and continuous growth. It encourages a balanced and sustainable approach to living, where you prioritize your well-being, vitality, and personal development. By taking care of yourself, you're better equipped to navigate challenges, contribute positively to your relationships, and lead a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. And there you have it, the 7 habits of highly effective people, a roadmap to mastering success and living a fulfilling life. Each of these habits complements the others, creating a holistic approach to personal and professional growth. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey on timeless discipline. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that empowers and uplifts. Until next time, keep embracing these habits, and remember, success is within your reach. Thanks for watching.